Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 has been out for a little over a year now. We've been using ours for a while and we wanted to tell you what we think about it. Let's talk about the unboxing and assembly process first. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 retails for $500, but we were able to find one new in box on Facebook for less than that. For now, let's just say that led to some interesting results. Some early feedback that we had seen was that the assembly process for the Gravity Series is less than ideal. Our experience was even less ideal than anticipated, as we found that the frame was bent pretty bad. Our Facebook seller conveniently removed his profile, so we were left without any recourse as we weren't able to submit a warranty claim. More on that later, but bottom line, proceed with caution when buying a grill that's advertised as new in box off of Facebook or any local marketplace. In the meantime, we were able to hammer things back into place and proceed with the assembly. The rest of the assembly process had some minor annoyances and it did take a couple of hours to assemble. Let's talk about some of the features of the Gravity Series 560. The main thing that sets it apart from other charcoal grills is that it uses a digitally controlled fan to control the heat of the gravity-fed hopper. So, in theory, you can get authentic charcoal flavor with the convenience of a pellet grill. Another unique thing is that Masterbuilt touts the Gravity Series 560's ability to reach 225 degrees in 7 minutes and 700 degrees in 13 minutes. In addition, the grill can be controlled via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth with a mobile app, and it also comes equipped with reversible cast iron grates and 2 porcelain-coated racks. In terms of space, you get 560 total square inches of cooking area, though that comes with a caveat that we'll get to later. Masterbuilt does make a larger Gravity Series 800 and 1050 as well. Those models also include a folding stainless steel shelf in addition to having a larger cooking area. The Gravity Series 560 retails for $500, but it often goes on sale at places like Walmart, and there's a good chance that you'll be able to get it for less than that. Since being released, Char-Griller has released their 980 gravity-fed charcoal grill, which retails for $600 and has 980 square inches of cooking space. This is the closest thing that Masterbuilt has in terms of a competitor. The Gravity Series 560 is also compatible with the Gravity Series rotisserie kit. Speaking of which, even though Masterbuilt wasn't able to help us with the dents in our grill, they were sympathetic to our situation and sent us the rotisserie kit for free. So we do want to give Masterbuilt props for that. The rotisserie kit is another feature that adds to its versatility and is easy to set up. Okay, now that we've unboxed it and shown you all the features of the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560, let's give you our final thoughts on it. So the big question is this: with the Gravity Series 560, do you get more authentic charcoal and wood-fired flavor than a pellet grill with the convenience of a pellet grill? The short answer is yes, and that alone makes it worth the price of admission. Whether or not this is the right grill for you is another question. Here are the things that we like best about the Gravity Series 560. The grill is super versatile, from being able to smoke at low temps and searing at high temps up to 700 degrees, and it can totally reach 700 degrees in 13 minutes as advertised. It took us about 10 minutes when we tested it. It's not quite as easy as starting a pellet grill, as it does require lighting a fire starter, but it's really not any more difficult than that, and it's easier to start and get up to temp than other charcoal grills. The temperature does stay relatively stable, and from our test it generally stayed within 5 to 10 degrees of the set temperature. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 does have some downsides though. The build quality does raise some questions regarding its long-term durability. That being said, we've been using the grill for about a year now and we haven't experienced any warping or any other immediate concerns that others have reported. It's not very fuel efficient either. The hopper holds 10 pounds of lumped charcoal or 16 pounds of briquettes. Masterbuilt advertises it as being good for 12 to 15 hours of use, but we usually get around 6 to 7 hours with a full hopper of lumped charcoal. It does last longer in warmer temperatures, so depending on where you live, it may not be as big of an issue. Lastly, though it does have a grease removal system, it's still not the easiest to clean. Because of that, we've typically defaulted to having a drip pan on the bottom grill grate to avoid cleaning, which results in less cooking space. There are mods available that enable you to have a drip pan under the bottom grill grate, so that can be overcome. Despite its shortcomings, the pros still outweigh the cons when you consider the cost of entry. It's not as fuel efficient as, say, a Kamado type grill, but you can still achieve similar flavor profiles at a fraction of the cost, and it has a much smaller learning curve. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and can do everything from smoking a brisket to searing a steak with authentic charcoal and wood flavors, then the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 is worth checking out, especially if you can get it on sale. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel.